In this video, I'll show you how to transfer money from a Capital One credit card to a UK bank account. Yes, it's possible, but there are a few things you should know before doing it. Let's jump right in. First off, Capital One doesn't offer direct balance transfers to UK bank accounts through the app or website, but there's a simple workaround. Use a money transfer service like Revolut, Wise, or PayPal. Here's how it works. Open the app or website of the service you want to use, let's say Wise. Sign up or log in, then start a new transfer. When choosing a payment method, select your Capital One credit card. Enter your UK bank details carefully, including the account number and sort code. Now, enter the amount you want to send. The service will calculate the fees and exchange rate. Double-check everything before confirming. Once processed, the money will be on its way to your UK bank account, usually within minutes to a few business days, depending on the service. Quick tip: be aware that using a credit card for money transfers may count as a cash advance, which comes with higher fees and interest rates. So only do this if you're sure it's the best option. If this helped you out, hit like and subscribe for more quick money transfer tips. See you next time.